Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a shadow to your design in Canva. Start by going to canva.com and logging into your account. Click Create a Design and choose any size or template. Now let's add an image. You can upload your own by clicking Uploads on the left, or you can use a free image from Canva by clicking Elements and then Photos. Once the image is on your canvas, click on it. At the top, click Edit Image. A panel will appear on the left. Scroll down and look for the section called Shadows in the Effects section. This includes options like Glow, Drop, and Angle. Some of these tools may show a crown icon and may not let you download the design without upgrading, but most of the effects are free to use. Adding shadows can really make your design pop and give it more depth. It's a simple touch that can make a big difference in how your final design looks. You can use this same method with text. Go to the text section and add a text box. Write whatever you want in the box. After that, click on Effects at the top. From the left menu, choose Shadows. From here, you can customize the shadows as you want. This method works well and is completely free. That's how you add shadows in Canva using the free version. Thanks for watching.